Hey there, welcome back to Fitness Tips, your go-to channel for proven ways to get fit, healthy, and confident. If you've been wondering why your six-pack abs are still hiding under that stubborn belly fat, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can start burning that belly fat and uncover your abs in just 2 weeks. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me because I've got science-backed methods, real-life tips, and motivational hacks that will make this journey easy, effective, and even enjoyable. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video that can change your life. Now, let's get into it. Why your six-pack is hiding. The truth about belly fat. First things first, let's talk about why your six-pack is still hiding beneath that belly fat. It's not because you don't work hard or don't do enough crunches. In fact, focusing solely on ab exercises won't melt the fat covering your abs. The real culprit? Visceral fat, the deep fat stored around your organs, and subcutaneous fat, the fat just under your skin. This kind of fat is stubborn and can only be burned through a combination of the right nutrition, strategic workouts, and lifestyle tweaks. The biggest myth out there is spot reduction, the idea that you can just do crunches or sit-ups and lose belly fat. Unfortunately, your body decides where it burns fat from first, and that's mostly genetic. But don't worry, the good news is that with the right plan, you can reduce your overall body fat, and your belly fat will start to disappear, revealing those abs you've been working so hard for. How nutrition controls your fat loss more than exercise. Now, here's a crucial fact that many overlook. Nutrition controls fat loss far more than exercise does. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. If you want to burn belly fat fast, cleaning up your eating habits is step number 1. But what does that actually mean? It's about understanding calories, macronutrients, and food quality. Your body burns fat when it's in a calorie deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than you burn. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all calories are created equal. Eating 500 calories of sugary snacks is very different from eating 500 calories of lean protein, veggies, and healthy fats. Protein, especially, is your fat loss friend. It helps you feel full longer, maintains muscle mass during weight loss, and has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. If you want to torch belly fat, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Load up on vegetables, lean meats, fish, nuts, seeds, and avoid sugary drinks, fried foods, and processed carbs. Also, drinking plenty of water and reducing sodium intake helps prevent bloating and water retention, making your belly look flatter fast. The power of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, for fat burning. Now, let's talk exercise. You might think long cardio sessions like jogging or cycling are best for fat loss, but the real game changer is high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Why? Because HIIT workouts burn more calories in less time, boost your metabolism for hours after exercise, and help preserve muscle mass. HIIT involves short bursts of all-out effort, followed by brief rest periods. For example, sprint for 30 seconds, walk for 1 minute, and repeat for 15-20 minutes. This method triggers a process called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, meaning your body keeps burning calories at an elevated rate even after you've finished working out. HIIT also targets fat loss efficiently, including stubborn belly fat, because it stresses your body in a way that forces it to burn stored fat for energy. Plus, HIIT workouts keep your workouts fresh and fun, no more boring long treadmill sessions. How strength training unlocks your fat loss potential. If you think strength training is just for bulking up or bodybuilders, think again. Lifting weights is a secret weapon in the battle against belly fat. Why? Because muscle is metabolically active tissue. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns, even at rest. When you strength train, you not only build muscle but also increase your resting metabolic rate. This means you burn more calories 24/7, making fat loss easier and faster. Strength training also improves your body composition, so instead of just losing weight, you're losing fat and preserving or building lean muscle. The best recipe for a defined six-pack. Aim to include full body strength workouts 3 to 4 times a week, focusing on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups and maximize calorie burn. And don't forget to progressively increase weights or resistance. your muscles need to be challenged to grow and help you burn fat. The role of sleep and stress in belly fat storage. Here's a part of fat loss that often gets ignored: your lifestyle outside the gym and kitchen, especially sleep and stress. Poor sleep and high stress levels can sabotage your fat-burning goals, no matter how hard you train or eat right. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage around the belly. Chronic stress means elevated cortisol, which can make losing belly fat nearly impossible. Similarly, lack of sleep messes with your hunger hormones, increasing cravings for unhealthy foods and reducing your body's ability to burn fat. To optimize fat loss, aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Develop a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid screens an hour before sleep, and manage stress through mindfulness, meditation, or light physical activity like walking or yoga. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as your physical health on this journey. The magic of consistency and tracking progress. Now, the secret ingredient that ties everything together is consistency. You can have the best workout plan, diet, and sleep habits, but if you don't stick to them, results won't come. Fat loss is a marathon, not a sprint, but here's the exciting part. In just 2 weeks, you can see significant changes if you follow these steps consistently. Start by tracking your meals and workouts. Apps like MyFitnessPal or Simple Journaling can hold you accountable and help you spot what's working or what needs tweaking. Also, track your progress not just by the scale but by how your clothes fit, your energy levels, and photos. Sometimes, fat loss shows up in inches lost before the scale moves. Remember, every healthy choice adds up. Every workout counts. Every healthy meal fuels your progress. Keep your eyes on the goal, and soon enough, those abs will no longer be hiding. Bonus tips to speed up belly fat burning. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips to accelerate your belly fat burn. Intermittent fasting is gaining popularity for a reason. Restricting your eating window can help reduce calorie intake and improve fat-burning hormones. If it suits your lifestyle, try a 16-8 fasting protocol, meaning you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Also, don't underestimate the power of NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This is the energy you burn through all activities outside formal workouts: walking, fidgeting, cleaning, even standing. Increasing your daily movement by taking the stairs, walking more, or stretching frequently can boost your calorie burn significantly. Lastly, stay patient and positive. Fat loss is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins, keep learning, and adjust as you go. Your six-pack is just beneath the surface, it's time to let it shine. Thanks for watching Fitness Tips. If you enjoyed this video and want more content to help you get the body you deserve, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with friends who need it. Comment below with your biggest challenge in burning belly fat. I'd love to hear from you and help you out. Remember, the journey to your six-pack starts now. 2 weeks from today, you'll thank yourself for the effort you put in. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.